Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share easy and delicious vegetarian recipes. Today I am going to show you how to make 4 healthy vegetarian meals that you can enjoy at home. These are perfect for any time of the day and are packed with protein and nutrients. The first meal is a spinach and cheese quiche made with a chickpea flour crust. This quiche is gluten-free, dairy-free, and egg-free, but still has a creamy and custardy texture. You'll need some chickpea flour, water, salt, oil, spinach, onion, garlic, tofu, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, soy milk, cheese, nutmeg, and black pepper. To make the quiche, first preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch pie dish. Then in a large bowl, whisk together the chickpea flour, water, salt, and oil until smooth. Pour the batter into the prepared pie dish and spread it evenly. Bake for 15 minutes until firm and golden. Then in a large skillet over medium-high heat, sauté the spinach, onion, and garlic until soft and wilted. Transfer them to a colander and squeeze out the excess liquid. In a blender or food processor, blend the tofu, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, soy milk, cheese, nutmeg, and pepper until smooth and creamy. Spoon the tofu mixture over the chickpea crust and spread it evenly. Sprinkle some more cheese on top if you like. Bake for another 25 minutes until set and golden. Let the quiche cool slightly before slicing and serving. The second meal is a lentil and mushroom shepherd's pie with a mashed potato topping. You'll need some potatoes, butter, milk, salt, pepper, lentils, vegetable broth, onion, carrot, celery, garlic, mushrooms, tomato paste, soy sauce, thyme, rosemary, cornstarch, and parsley. To make the shepherd's pie, first peel and chop the potatoes and boil them in a large pot of water until tender. Drain them and mash them with butter, milk, salt, and pepper. Set aside. Then in another large pot over high heat, bring the lentils and vegetable broth to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the lentils are soft but not mushy. Next in a large skillet over medium-high heat, sauté the onion, carrot, celery, garlic, and mushrooms until soft and browned. Add the tomato paste, soy sauce, thyme, rosemary, and cornstarch and stir well to combine. Cook for a few minutes until the sauce is thickened. Stir in the parsley and season with salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Spoon the lentil mixture into the prepared baking dish and spread it evenly. Top with the mashed potatoes and smooth them out. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until bubbly and golden. Let the shepherd's pie rest for 10 minutes before serving. The third meal is a vegetable fried rice with tofu scramble. This fried rice is easy, quick, and flavorful. You'll need some cooked rice, oil, tofu, turmeric, salt, pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, carrot, peas, corn, soy sauce, sesame oil, green onions, and sesame seeds. To make the fried rice, first crumble the tofu with your hands or a fork and season it with turmeric, salt, and pepper. Heat some oil in a large skillet over high heat and fry the tofu until golden and crisp. Transfer it to a plate and set aside. In the same skillet over high heat, add some more oil and fry the onion, garlic, ginger, carrot, peas, and corn until tender crisp. Add the rice and toss to combine. Add the soy sauce and sesame oil and stir fry for a few minutes until heated through. Sprinkle some green onions and sesame seeds on top and serve with the tofu scramble. The fourth meal is a chickpea curry with coconut milk and spinach. This curry is creamy, spicy, and satisfying. You'll need some oil, onion, garlic, ginger, curry powder, garam masala, cumin, coriander, turmeric, salt, pepper, tomato paste, coconut milk, chickpeas, spinach, lime juice, and cilantro. To make the curry, first heat some oil in a large pot over medium-high heat and sauté the onion, garlic, ginger, curry powder, garam masala, cumin, coriander, turmeric, salt, and pepper until soft and fragrant. Add the tomato paste and cook for a few minutes, stirring constantly. Add the coconut milk and chickpeas and bring the sauce to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until thickened. Stir in the spinach and lime juice and cook until wilted. Garnish with cilantro and serve with rice or naan bread. And that's it, 4 easy vegetarian meals that you can make at home in under 20 minutes each. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.